Hello there, welcome to another video from the farm. Today, as you can see, the weather is shocking, so we're doing some inside stuff on the roundhouse, and we're installing a brand new little log burner I've got here. Now, I was going to do the entire floor in here first, but I've kind of gone for a bit of a change of tack, because I had a brand new log burner, didn't I, as a present from the family. So it's a nice little 5.5 kilowatt multi-fuel burner. Decent. Comes with everything I need to install it. Flue, mounting plates, roof plate seal, silicone to seal the edges. I've got some putty on top of here to do all the flue. Like I say, everything I need. So, before I went home yesterday, quickly threw in marble slab here, and then a bricks around. So my plan is, put the log burner in the middle of here, have another piece of marble up the side there, another piece up this side, then 2 pieces up the back, and then I'm going to continue this brick edge all the way up the side of the marble here and here, and then pack the back of it with more mortar, so I can create quite a good heat sink out of solid stone and brick around this log burner once I've got it in position. Now, there's going to be people that obviously say it's going to be easier to install the log burner, to install the surround around the log burner without the log burner being there. But, getting a bit moist in here with no heat source because it's getting so cold. Now, I don't know if you can tell, getting a bit of mildew on these top boards where the moist air's sitting. So we need to get it super hot, super dry in here for a good couple of weeks. Finish off all these bags, make sure they're all rock solid. And then, yeah, we should stop that mold problem, basically. As well as a nice little cosy area to come sit in. Because, yeah, if the weather is going to be like this, and we've had quite a lot of storms recently too, so a lot of rain, a lot of wind, need somewhere decent to hide away. And I obviously wanted to have this finished months ago, but, yeah, we're there now. But for today, then, we'll start putting these bits in. Get the fire in position, get a hole drilled, get it sealed. Get the log burner on. Right, so we've got the legs on, got the top flue screwed in, because this one you can mount on the back there, which are filled in, or you can mount to the top like so. I need to fill this gap with the heat resistant putty I've got. Other than that, pretty much good to go now. Next then, I'm going to go get a bit of string, so I can do a plumb line from the roof straight down the middle of the flue here. I can get my hole in the right position and I don't have too much messing about to do. Fortunately though, because I've got a bit of wiggle room here, I can be a little bit off with the hole and still get it lined up. Just more for visual though, isn't it? I want to get it straight. So pretty simple. It's got a bit of a weight on this string. Just moving it around up there until I get it fairly central in the middle of the hole. I'm going to mark the top. Mark the same size width as the insulated flue. I'm going to cut a hole. Right, holes in the roof. Now I'm going to apply some of this fire cement, like a fire resistant putty, around the inside edge of here, and I'm going to push this flue in. Then it's pretty much just click and play really, everything slots together then. Right, let's do this. So this is the bit of flue poking out. Now all I've done is put this mounting plate over the top of it, ran some silicone around the edges, and now I'm tacking it all down with these roofing screws so I can get a nice firm seal all the way around the edge of this, so we shouldn't get any leaks. Alright then, we're good to go. That was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. Put together the other little eBay fire, no problem. Obviously that was all real basic stuff. Actually had to tie these ones together with the little straps that I've got on the double wall flue here. See at the back here? To do those up with an Allen key. Difficult. Ooh. Yeah, the only difficult thing really, cutting the hole. That's about it. Right, so we're in. Let's get a fire going. So, she's working pretty well. I'm happy with it. Got the firelighter in there, starting the next fire. This is day 2 of the fires now. As you can see, just about tell, got a few coals lit in there still from yesterday. I'm trying to restart this bit of wood in there, get it nice and roaring. Discovered that I definitely need to open it with the glove that they provided, because yeah, burnt my finger on the initial opening of this yesterday. So I think I'm probably going to do another video at some point replacing these handles, some ceramic one or something, so I can actually touch them without gloves. Alright then, catch me in the next one. Until next time, bye bye.